We're holding hands.
Guide holding hands, yeah.
Then again, we didn't really have to kill anything.
Well, I don't know. We died a couple times at that.
Our weakness is legitimately the Endermans.
Oh, I gotta connect. I gotta
And
connect.
chainsaw guys.
Did you get
that's fun.
disconnected?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait.
Yeah,
Let's wait.
wait.
Nothing happened. We just killed 2 dudes. With my big ass dick.
You don't have a big dick. Shut
Oh my
up.
god, guys, come see what's right over here.
What?
Alright, skills is in.
Hold on.
Terrible.
Special, you know that? Yeah,
Look at all
the
the monsters
sledgehammer
over
him.
there.
Oh my goodness.
Ah, he's got me. He's got me. Let's go.
Jesus Christ. I said sledgehammer him and he fucking just...
Yeah, you guys get in my way. Oh, this looks like a nice place to bring your kids for a picnic. Nice like candy in this van here.
Two dudes coming.
Nice. 2 dudes are coming. We've been making guys come all game.
How am I supposed to fucking shoot his head?
Can we not go over there? No, we can't. Okay.
Fuck.
What the heck? Go along the path, I guess.
The
Yeah.
pond is off limit.
Yeah. Nice.
Dude, your shotgun sounds like a staple gun or something.
Because it is stable then.
Oh,
You
here it
jelly?
comes.
You jelly bitch? Huh?
Oh shit.
Man, this thing is so sick. If you guys get a sledgehammer, pick it up.
Nah, I like my knife.
Oh, I have both. Oh, we gotta go over here, guys. Follow here. It's Morse code. Means hurry the fuck up. Oh, bed. Right to the right here. I don't really have any ammo. Good shit. Oh, what's up there?
It's over there.
Looks like a long.
Oh, motherfucker. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you.
Here, let me. Okay.
What's up there?
It was just like a long and lonely pathway. Could have been something over there. Maybe like a grenade launcher or something.
Yeah, because those exist, right?
Never know.
What the fuck is that sound?
That's a chainsaw, dude.
I found a syringe. Finally.
Oh, you found a syringe?
Yeah.
Because you need one, right?
Yeah.
We all do.
Trap needs it more. He has 10 health.
Just bring your trap.
Trap. Oh shit. Shit. Chainsaw. I hit him twice. Oh my.
Right.
Clev.
Yeah. What am I supposed to do?
Kill him.
'Cause he's
Try
dancing
and
in the
clip him
fuck.
around the corner.
Oh yeah. You got hit and he didn't die? Oh, now he's running back. There's no way he wouldn't kill himself with those chainsaws. He would have cut off his own damn dick by now.
Is he still here?
Yeah. He's right to your left.
Quick, suck my dick. Too early.
It's to my left or my right?
To your left, I think.
'Cause I'm just gonna suck his dick.
Do you see where I'm laying down there?
Yeah.
It's where my toes are pointed. Wherever that is, your direction.
Well,
He ran that way
I
last.
sucked Reed's dick, so.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get him. Alright, I'm gonna try and fuck that shit. Alright,
Skills!
Nice.
got him.
Oh,
Nice.
wow. Skills, drop that.
Suck me.
Drop that tantana.
Oh, I must press spacebar every time. Okay, good. I just want to lose my sledge.
Skills is a dick. He took the
What?
syringe for himself.
Bro, I had 10 HP.
There's
He
a
purposely got himself down to
freaking
10
donator
HP.
only weapon.
Do you need a gun?
No.
Who needs a gun?
I have a sledgehammer. This thing's pimp. No. Okay, good.
I'm tempted to go back to Counter-Strike now.
You don't want to finish this?
How are we gonna finish this?
Dude, we're
It's the last
close.
chapter. It's the last part.
Yeah, we're on the last chapter.
Holy beds!
Yeah, and a guy just
Oh,
came
I
up
got
to me and
knocked.
fucking hammered me in the face.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Wow, me too. Go skills. Pay those bills. Fuck those bitches and bury them in the hills. It's nice that we died together. It's cute. We're holding hands.
Died holding hands, yeah.
What's taking you so long, bro? I wish you could like pan around and see what things happen. It's just like it sucks that the camera just stops. Oh, good,
Did
nice.
it, guys?
Oh, nice, man. It's funny that you chose me first. I hear a
Coming
bed
clutch. I don't know where he is, but screw it. Gotta get you guys.
guy. Okay, I'll get a trap.
Yeah, you'll get me,
That's
alright.
me.
Oh,
Oh.
I just. Oops. Your guys' penises look the same. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a whole brother thing.
Yeah, where are we supposed to go?
I don't know, probably this way.
There's a door here.
There's one dude in here.
I won't budge. Oh, a syringe. Nice. Who needs it the most? Just me,
Sure.
Trapper. Oh, we're all the same.
Who has the most money? I mean, the most ammo.
I have a sledgehammer and 3 bullets. Or something. Wait, what do I have? I already used it anyways. Whatever.
There's a bed down there.
Yeah, it's wide open. Is there no ammo around here? Okay, we gotta go down.
Did you guys check the whole place?
There's another bed.
Not one crumb?
There's a syringe right here. Another one. You guys, over here.
Pick it up and
Oh man, I
Wait.
took the bed out.
Where are you at, Weed?
me, I'm
Yeah.
by the entrance.
Oh, we gotta go down where you guys are killing the bed in the suit in the place. That's we have to go there next.
Rip. I just wasted like 4 bullets. I'm done.
There's a door down here.
Thank you.
This way, boys.
Well, he's currently taking drugs, leave him alone.
Come on, man, more spit. What are you doing?
Sorry, guys. I don't do this on the daily.